Hi everyone, my name is Sophia Gonzalez and my mentor for my research project is Dr. Maggie Pate. Today I will be presenting my research project on community policing and whether or not police effectiveness and collective efficacy have an impact. Why this topic, you may ask? I chose this topic for a couple of reasons. The first is that I have an interest in community policing, and secondly, I'm currently working with both Dr. Roberto and Rachel Santos on their grant project through the COPS office. And for those of you who don't know what the COPS office is, it is the Community-Oriented Policing Services Office. And it seemed like a good fit for me to continue my research on community policing. My research question for my project is, does police effectiveness and collective efficacy have a positive impact on citizen perceptions on community policing? Why is my topic important? Well, first, determining whether or not community policing is successful and what makes it successful is important. And secondly, I think it will help police agencies that are interested in implementing community policing because they need to know whether or not it's effective before they invest money into the policing strategy. The previous literature on my topic, previous studies that focus on community policing tend to only focus on community perceptions of police, and research suggests that police effectiveness does seem to have a role on citizens' perceptions and community policing. Collective efficacy and police effectiveness have been shown to have some sort of relationship, but it's still unsure how and why there's a relationship. And as mentioned in an article by Howden and Ryan, these two variables are helpful for community policing. And I believe by integrating the existing research on collective efficacy and police effectiveness, it should further the understanding on the effects of community policing. My hypothesis for my research is communities that have a higher collective efficacy and a positive perception of police effectiveness will have a greater effect on community policing.